Welcome to Finance It TV, where we unravel the mysteries of the financial world. Today, we delve into the infamous Ponzi scheme, a cautionary tale of greed, deception, and financial ruin. Picture this. You meet a charming individual named Charles, who promises you massive returns on your investment in just a few weeks. Tempted by the allure of quick riches, you eagerly hand over your hard-earned money. But unbeknownst to you, Charles is running a Ponzi scheme. A fraudulent investment scheme named after the man who perfected it, Charles Ponzi. A Ponzi scheme operates on a simple premise. Lure investors with the promise of high returns. Then use the funds from new investors to pay returns to earlier investors. This creates the illusion of a profitable investment, when, in reality, there's no legitimate business generating returns. Think of it like a financial house of cards. As long as new investors keep pouring in money, the scheme appears to be thriving. But the moment the influx of new funds slows down, the entire structure collapses, leaving investors high and dry. Charles Ponzi, the mastermind behind the eponymous scheme, rose to prominence in the 1920s. With promises of astronomical returns on investments in international postal reply coupons. His charisma and silver tongue attracted thousands of investors, eager to cash in on the purported profits. Ponzi's scheme seemed foolproof, but it was built on nothing more than smoke and mirrors. He never actually invested the money as promised. Instead, he used the funds from new investors to pay off earlier ones, all the while siphoning off a hefty sum for himself. But like all financial frauds, Ponzi's house of cards eventually came crashing down. As the scheme grew larger, so did the scrutiny from authorities and the media. Investigations revealed the truth behind Ponzi's operation, leading to his arrest and subsequent imprisonment. The fallout from Ponzi's scheme was catastrophic. Countless investors lost their life savings, and trust in financial institutions was shattered. The term Ponzi scheme became synonymous with financial fraud, serving as a cautionary tale for generations to come. So, what can we learn from Charles Ponzi's misdeeds? Firstly, beware of promises that seem too good to be true. High returns with little to no risk are often red flags for potential scams. Secondly, always conduct thorough due diligence before investing your money. Research the investment, the company, and the individuals involved to ensure legitimacy. Remember, financial freedom is achievable through prudent and informed decisions, not through get-rich-quick schemes. Stay vigilant, stay educated, and protect yourself from falling victim to financial fraud. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Until next time, stay savvy and stay safe.